Our goal of this testing is to find the valid and repeated test results. Sure, I'll prepare the test setup and get you the valid test results in 2 weeks. I need to complete Packer error rate testing ASAP. Let me get the setup ready. First test data is out. Yay! First test data is out. Now I got to analyze the actual test data with the desired one. Engineer performs multiple iterations of test to check repeatability of test data and finds it difficult to get repeatability. How could this be? It's not working. I have performed various checks to get the repeatability of test data, but it's just not working. No, not again. After so many iterations also, it is still not working out. Nutty, did you remember to fix the power? Oh no, how could I miss something so basic? Engineer recalibrates, reruns the test. Good lord, yet the same results. Oh, it's already day 7. Never let a test know your deadlines. They somehow smell the urgency and don't work. I haven't even taken a break and I have checked the whole setup to rerun the test. But the results still show no improvement. Are we even solving the right problem? Because I'm not able to locate it. So, any updates in testing? I don't have any positive update about the testing and don't have any direction further. This means the engineer has wasted company revenues and engineering resources. It has also resulted in market share loss and in turn, it is loss of revenues and reputation of the company. I already wasted almost 2 weeks of planned timeline in debugging. Here, support team questions to test engineer and setup. I have also changed firmware, OS, environment variables and reruns test. Because if you pay attention to fine details in the vendor's data sheet, majority of Shieldbox manufacturers mention that isolation values in the data sheet were measured with IO plate positions covered with blank metal plates. Even with that, the isolation claimed is only 70 to 90 dB. When selecting RF coaxial cable, make sure to measure isolation along with insertion and return loss. 2 weeks of planned timeline and debugging. And I have lost not only time but also the resources and face of the company. I need to see if I can get support from a knowledgeable team in RF shielding solutions. Okay, let's see. Let me search who is the best RF electronics, RF test equipment. Okay, RF electronics. Okay, they are into shield boxes and they're manufacturing. This looks good. Alright. So, how are they different from others? We don't just provide best quality shield boxes, but also provide invaluable support to debug setup related issues. RF electronic shield boxes and solutions are designed to help our esteemed client in saving time to market, in turn saving engineering resources and much appreciated revenues, above all consistency in test and measurement, reducing time to market for the product. With COVID-19 becoming a pandemic, every major entity in the telecom industry is facing difficulty in managing human resources in assembling and bringing up the test setup on site, and this may become a new normal. Under such circumstances, our full turnkey test rack system will be able to resolve assembly time on site and will help the engineering teams to keep up with the project deadlines without unwanted delays.